have a hobby? A hobby is something you like to do in your free time. Maybe you like music. Maybe you like sports. Or maybe you like cooking. Everyone has something they enjoy. In today's episode, we will talk about hobbies. You will learn how to say your hobby in English, and you will practice step by step with me. Hello, welcome or welcome back to the American English Podcast. You are listening to the Slow English Podcast. Here, I speak slowly and clearly so you can relax, follow along, and learn English with me. Today, we will talk about hobbies. Why is this topic important? Because when you meet someone new, they often ask, "What do you like to do in your free time?" Or, "What are your hobbies?" If you can answer, you feel more confident. You can start a friendly conversation, and you can connect with people easily. In this episode, I will teach you simple sentences. I will give you real-life examples, and after each example, I will give you time to repeat. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to talk about your hobbies in English. Let's begin with something very simple. When you talk about your hobby, you can say, "My hobby is reading." Repeat after me. My hobby is reading. One more time. My hobby is reading. Great. Now think about yourself. Practice with your own hobby. Say, "My hobby is." Another easy way is to use the phrase, "I like." For example, you can say, "I like playing soccer." Repeat with me. I like playing soccer. Great. Now it's your turn. Say, "I like," and finish the sentence with your hobby. I like. Let's try a few more examples together. Listen carefully. I like cooking. Repeat with me. I like cooking. I like listening to music. Repeat after me. I like listening to music. One more time. I like listening to music. Excellent. Now, say your own hobby 2 times, just like the examples. Repeat. I like. Repeat again. I like. You can also talk about how often you do your hobbies. This makes your answer sound more interesting. For example, I read every day. Another example, I play soccer on weekends. Repeat with me. I play soccer on weekends. One more time. I play soccer on weekends. Now, try to say how often you do your hobby. And finally, you can explain why you enjoy your hobby. This makes the conversation more personal. For example, I like reading because it is relaxing. Repeat. I like reading because it is relaxing. One more time. I like reading because it is relaxing. Another, I like soccer because it is fun. Repeat after me. I like soccer because it is fun. Now say, I like because and give your reason. I like because. Wonderful. You now know how to say your hobby, how often you do your hobby, and why you enjoy it. Step by step, you are getting better. Let's take a moment to review the key words we used today. The first word is hobby. A hobby is something you like to do for fun. Example, my hobby is painting. Another word is soccer. Soccer is a sport with a ball. In many countries, it is called football. But in the US, we call it soccer. Example, I play soccer with friends. We also practiced cooking. Cooking means making food. Example, I like cooking dinner. And don't forget music. Music is sound we enjoy. We can sing music. We can play music with instruments. We can listen to music every day. Example, I listen to music every day. We also learned one useful expression, in my free time. This means when you are not busy. Example, in my free time, I watch movies. These words and expressions will help you make your answers clear and natural. Now, let's practice a little more. First, talk about yourself. You can say, my hobby is reading, or I like listening to music. Take a moment now and say one sentence about your hobby. Great! Now let's make it a bit harder. Talk about a friend or family member. For example, my brother likes basketball, or my mother likes cooking, or my friend likes dancing. Now, try to make your own sentence about someone you know. Very good. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. You can even record yourself and listen again. Step by step, you are improving your English. And that's it for today's lesson. You learned how to talk about hobbies in English. You practiced sentences like, my hobby is reading, and I like playing soccer. You also learned how to talk about friends and family. Remember, you can listen to this episode again. Repeat the sentences many times. Practice a little every day. Thank you for learning with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to the American English podcast. See you in the next episode.